So here are 10 things that are worth your money. Gusto ko din explain sa inyo para malaman nyo if para sa inyo ba siya or hindi. Number 1, eye LASIK surgery. Since grade school pa lang kasi, mataas na talaga yung grado ko. Nasa 480 to 500 na yung grado ko. Life-changing siya na hindi mo na kailangang magsalamin o kaya magdadry yung eyes mo because of contact lenses. Yung parang gigising ka na lang and you have clear eyesight. Number 2, storage drives. As a content creator, I usually shoot in 4K, so mabigat talaga siya. Good investment talaga kapag kukuha kayo ng SSD and HDD. I used to shrug off therapy. Inisip ko na, happy person naman ako, bakit kailangan ko mag-therapy? Baka malungkot lang ako that day. And nung nag-therapy ako, nag-change talaga yung outlook ko sa life. It just healed a part of me. A part of me! Number 4, micro-shaded brows. Hindi ito yung real brows ko. And I always get compliments about my micro-shaded brows kasi mukha talaga siyang natural. Yung real na eyebrows ko talaga, sobrang non-existent. And eyebrows really shape your face na kahit na wala kang makeup, somehow mukha pa ding presentable because you have brows. Number 5, Brazilian and underarm laser treatments. As a hindi ko naman sabihin mabuhok girly. I mean, it's part of the natural course of life. I personally get mine sa Wink. Parang na-try ko na kasi before na mag-avail ng service na to sa ibang place. Parang nakailang session na ako, pero hindi ko pa rin nakukuha yung result na gusto ko. Nasayang lang yon versus like investing in a good laser place na. Number 6, the MacBook M series. Actually, kahit alin doon sa M series is really, really, really good. Ginagamit ko na MacBook ngayon is the M1 series na Air that I got from 2020. And right now na 2026, ginagamit ko pa rin siya. Buhay na buhay pa din siya. And that's 6 years already. Number 7, Detique na Fleur de Peau. That's really my signature scent ever since that I got it. Parang nung inisip ko siya before, ang mahal na talaga. Kasi sobrang bango niya talaga. Tsaka every time na gamit ko siya, amoy na amoy ako ng lahat. For me, kumakapit talaga siya. So every time na may nakakaamoy nun, parang sinasabi nila, nandiyan na si Kokoy kasi naamoy na nila ako. Ganun type siya. Number 8, Shark Ninja Vacuum. Very tita nito, pero kasi ever since I got that Shark Ninja na vacuum, yung may dock siya na na-absorb lahat ng dumi, tapos nasa-store dun sa isang lalagyan lahat. Kapag allergic ka sa mga dust, ganon, sobrang useful nung ganon. Nagagamit ko siya pang vacuum ng floor, ng carpet, and itong sofa ko. So, all around talaga siya. And 9th would be the Osmo Pocket 3. Sobrang convenient for me na very compact talaga siya. So, yung ginagamit ko with almost all my content aside from my phone. And number 10, solo travel. Extra mahal talaga, extra gastos ng solo travel kasi nga, you're paying for everything on your own na wala kang kahati sa accommodation. If napanood niyo yung Taiwan solo trip ko, yun yung very first na solo trip ko. Doon ko na-realize na kaya ko pala mag-isa. Peaceful din pala to be by yourself. Liberating talaga siya knowing na you can do things on your own. And at the end of the day, things that are worth your money are those na within the budget or well-budgeted siya. Yun lang. Bye!